Hello naman so much to my girlies out there who are looking for a 3-in-1 lipstick, and yes, to the rescue si JMCY. This is their 24-hour 3-in-1 lipstick. You can use it in 3 ways. You can have a matte finished lips by using this end with their different shades, and on the other end naman is yung kanilang lip gloss. Or you can have this kind of lips by combining both. So ayun, ang kiniklaim kasi na tong product na to is everything proof daw siya. Transfer proof, waterproof, and even kiss proof. So I will be using the shade NR03. This is the matte finish. Let's test it. Okay. Transfer proof check. Kiss proof. Clean. Kiss proof check. Lahat nakinis ko, be. Be, wala. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Cheers. Basta pa. Tissue. Bakit naman ganon? Siyempre, tatry na din natin with gloss itself. Angas niya pati kasi kahit sa mismong tip ng gloss, hindi nagta-transfer yung lip cream. And share ko lang, new fave lipstick ko to because sobrang travel-friendly niya. It is a must-have. Check the yellow basket.